So this video is to quickly go over some basics around pages and getting your pages laid out and organized within a section. As you can see, I'm currently in an empty section and I want to start building out my learning path with pages. This will be the basis and groundwork for any courses that you'll be creating in ECO. So from this point, I'm going to open up my menu and I'm going to turn on edit mode. Be aware that only admins and delegated users have access to edit mode. But with edit mode on, I'm going to go to the pages header and I'm going to click the plus icon here to add a page. When I do that, I get a prompt asking me which type of page I'd like to add to this section. Our first option is create new page. It creates a new blank unnamed page. Our second option is insert existing page. So this makes a duplicate of an existing page already created on our ECO site. So we get a prompt showing us all the existing pages. I'm going to select certification. And it's going to insert a duplicate of that page. Please note that any changes made to this duplicate will affect the original as well. So you'd only use this option if you're moving a page from one section to another, or you need identical sections. And it saves you from having to do multiple edits to identical pages. The last option is insert copy of existing page. So this makes a separate copy of an already existing page on our ECO site. And much like the previous option of insert existing page, you'll get prompted to select an existing page from the list. In this instance, I'm going to select Dungeons and Dragons Guide. Insert copy of existing page, and any edits to this new copied page will not affect the original. So use this option if you don't want to work from scratch and you want to build off an already created page. It's also a best practice when using this option to create any new tracking and interactive IDs that may have been copied over from the original. So now that we have all of our pages, it's time to organize them how we want. We can click and drag the pages into any order just by clicking and dragging on the 4 arrow icon here. And as well, if there's any pages we no longer want or need, we can click the red dash here to delete it. So once we have all of our pages laid out and organized, we can now name them. I'm going to close my menu and I'm going to go inside my first unnamed page here I added. With edit mode still on, I can edit the page title here. If you want to have a specific URL for this page, we can also change that here under the page URL identifier. So now that we have all of our pages laid out and named properly, we can go ahead and publish our work. And we can begin editing the pages and adding our content to them.